Hello friends, in this video I will show you step by step how to format a USB drive on Windows 11 or 10. Remember, formatting will erase all data on the drive, so backup your files first. Then plug in your USB drive. Then open or search this PC. Here you can see all your drives. Next, right click on USB drive and select format. In the file system, select NTFS. This format is great for Windows only drives, support large files and allow advanced features like file permissions. Under the volume label, give your drive a name and then check Quick Format and click on Start. You will see this warning message: formatting will erase all data on the disk. To format the disk, click OK. To quit, click Cancel. When it is done, you will see a message saying the format is complete. Your USB drive is now ready to use with NTFS file system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.